Today we gather with one goal, to create a better and brighter future for our children. I directed the DBM to prioritize and to fund the establishment of Child Development Centers or CDCs, especially in the more remote barangays of Mindanao and other low-income municipalities. Sa mga center na ito, maaaring makapaglaro, makapagbasa at makapag-aral ang ating mga kabataan. Sa pamamagitan ng mga CDC, magkakaroon ng maayos na pundasyon ng ating mga anak na siya namang magpapatibay sa pundasyon ng ating bansa. 89 will be in Luzon, 106 will be in the Visayas, 133 in Mindanao, including BARM. Let us carry on with our work so that every child can grow up knowing that they are valued, knowing that the hands that guide them belong to the ones who are unyielding in their love for this country.